Hello, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I was supposed to be filming weekly videos for my transformation or whatever, but I honestly just forgot. But I'm gonna give you a little tour of my bedroom. It's kind of messy right now, but it's whatever. If I don't film it now, then I won't film it. So yeah, so we're gonna do that. We're not gonna look at the floor. I swept, but I didn't mop yet, so I'm not gonna show the floor. And yeah, I'm just gonna reorganize these because they're all messy for some reason. There we go. That'll do. All right, well, let's get into it. So this is the bed. This is where I sleep. It's a futon. I always keep it in the bed position, and I have my teddy bear there, my pillows, and my blankets. I honestly just sleep with this blanket only, and then the rest I just kind of sleep on. And then here I have my TV, my Apple TV. I got rid of the PS3. I put that somewhere. I think it's over there somewhere, but yeah. And then my LED lights, my lovely window. That is because my brother used to live in here, so I'm stuck with that. I'm gonna just step on my bed. Oh my god, you can see me and my figureless body. Okay, anyways, so up here is just a bunch of like junk and stuff or whatever. And then I have my headbands here that I honestly never wear, but I might try to find hairstyles that I can wear them. I have some hairbrush stuff there. My toothbrush is there. I have a toothbrush in my bag for work. My fan, some more tooth stuff or teeth stuff, whatever you may call it. Alright, so we have some lotions, my makeup remover, hair stuff, some excess stuff, so like Vaseline, oh my god, Vicks or whatever, some eye drops, stuff for my eyebrows, and some little elastics and bobby pins. And I just threw some elastics in here that I have, and then I have a laser pointer for my cats, so some charcoal toothpaste stuff, more hair stuff. I bought this, don't really use it. My skincare stuff, makeup stuff, more makeup stuff. And then this place is kind of messy, but it's just basically my movies, my video games, my CDs, BTS CDs, some journals. These journals are out because I was using them. And then these aren't supposed to be here, but they're there. And then I have my LED light remote thing. I plan on getting some like shelves and stuff to put here on the wall. Like, how do I zoom out? There we go. To put on the walls along here somewhere, so that way I can put my remotes up there and stuff like that, and possibly put my PS3 back up there. Because as long as it's in a certain position, then it doesn't overheat. So I'm gonna probably put something up so that way I can put it up there. So yeah, so that's that. And then down here is just like extra stuff that I don't really use. Some cleaning stuff, some cards, jewelry, stuff like that. Junk. And then over here, we have my hair stuff here, like my elastics and stuff like that. My controllers here. I have my speaker here. My, you know, this thing. Some electronic stuff, like excess stuff. So some like phone cases for one of my phones that I have. And then I have my phone cases, or like the boxes it came in. And then I have my iPads here. So we have some like decorations. So here, dictionaries, Harry Potter books, some other books, more books, some language books, another book, my yearbooks, magazines, and more journals. Yep, nothing special there. And then we have my big mirror here. So yeah, that's what this area looks like. And then we're gonna go this way. So this is where I keep my t-shirts and stuff, right here. Laundry goes there, my weights, and then my ring light, and then some excess stuff that I have not figured out where to put with yet, so they're just kind of sit there. So don't mind that, it's just my uniforms are all there, like all my shirts for work. As you can see, I have okay, this one is not a shirt, neither is this one, just these ones. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 shirts, and then I have 2 pairs of pants here, so just hiding them. But yeah, then I have my sweaters and stuff like that. I'm sure you guys all probably know who I work for, but technically I'm not allowed to show the logo, so yeah. And then I have a fan here for my room that rotates because my room gets really hot. Over here I have all my shoes. I got rid of a lot of shoes when I moved in, so this is all I have left. Because these are all I really wear out of all my shoes, so yeah. My door to my room. And the nice thing is, I have this thing so I can lock people out of my room for privacy, you know. And then I just have my gym bag there, my purses, some sweaters and stuff that like don't zip up but kind of like sit over top, I guess you could say. My work bag, so I have my windbreaker, sweater, and vest in there that I wear in case like I get cold or something. I always keep those in there. Computer here, I just turned off the screen. It's kind of messy because I'm still reorganizing everything. And then my sister found all these art books and stuff like that in the garage and just kind of threw them in my room after I like cleaned my whole room. So now I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to do with all those. Litter box that you do not need to see because it's literally a litter box, nothing special. My flag is here. I have my light stand or whatever. I have some towels here. This one I usually mostly use for my hair, and this is my other ones. And then hair stuff like hair dryers, curlers, straighteners, all kinds of stuff in there. My waxing kit, whatever you may call it. And I have my jeans and sweatpants here. I don't know why I put this here. It actually does not go there. I was in a rush. And then here I have like my pajama pants, some dress pants, all my shorts and leggings go here. These are all my bras, my underwear, and my socks. My shirts. Here we have the new water fountain for the cats. So I have to get a new filter because, I don't know, I didn't do it properly when I got it, so I have to change this like every 2 days now. Once I get the filter, it'll be better. And then their new cat bowls, which are sitting up, so I actually got them decent ones now. Yeah, so that's basically my room. It's very small. I'm gonna do something here. And I'm gonna do something up there as well, so that way it's not so cluttered looking. And I'll be getting rid of this thing here, so that way I can have all my clothes on one side, like including all my sweaters and stuff like that. So yeah, so that way I can have this space open, because I also want to start gaming and stuff like that. So I'm actually building a PC, or getting a PC built. So then, yeah, I'm going to start gaming as well. So I want to get a different desk so that way I can do that as well. So anyways, I'm going to turn the camera around so I can talk to you guys. Okay. So yeah, so I have like lots of plans for my room. I'm going to make it like a little more aesthetic looking to my style. Like I'm switching up my fashion style. I already changed my hair. I'm going to be doing my makeup a lot differently, especially once masks get lifted at my work. I'll probably start doing my makeup a bit more for work. I'm just going to show you the cleansers really quickly because I'm kind of lazy to go into the bathroom to go get that. Okay, so One of the cleansers I use is this one right here. So it's the fulvic acid brightening cleanser. So I use that one. And then I do double cleanser. So that's my second cleanse that I use. And then the first one I use is this one right here, Squalene Cleanser. So I use that one as my first cleanser. And yeah, so those are my cleansers because they're in the bathroom and I'm not gonna go get that. And then for my hair, I still use Olaplex. So I'm using the conditioner and the shampoo. And I have the Olaplex number 3 as well for before. And then I have to get some more because I'm running really low on this, but it's the Bond Repair Leave-In Protein Cream, so it kind of helps strengthen the hair. And then I also have the, as well, still as you can see, it's like well used. So I need to go get another one, of course. So that's that. Yeah, so I'm gonna move on to skincare. So after I do the cleansers, sometimes I will add in an exfoliant once a week, so, or sometimes twice a week depending, but it's this one here, the Alicia Keys that I have. It's like a foaming one, it's like a powder. I showed it in one other video before. And then once a week I have a mask, so it's this one here, the Alicia Keys one. And this one is the Harmony mask. I showed this one again before because when I used to work at Sephora, I got those as my grad. I forgot what it's called, but yeah, so, gratis, that's what it's called. It's been so long since I worked there. And then once a week I use this one here. I'm running pretty low on it. It's the Elegate Maritinol oil or whatever. It's retinol basically. So I use that once a week. This one I use at nighttime. I'm gonna have to get another one of this as well. So squalene and lactic acid. I've showed this one before. So you guys seen that one already. The other thing I use, this one's for like my fine lines. I've shown this one multiple times. Is the Power Strength Line Reducing Concentrate from Kiehl's. But yeah, so this is Biosense, by the way, and then we have Drunk Elephant for this one. Alright, moving on. So then at morning time when I'm getting ready for work, so after I use those, I go ahead and put The Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. And I mostly put that on the T-zone area. And then in the morning I also use the Brighten Eye Cream by the Inkey List. It's my morning one. And then for evening time, I'm going to show the eye cream first. So I use the Retinol Eye Cream for evening time. And then at nighttime, I use this one here, which is the Salicylic Acid 2% anhydrous solution. So I do a few drops of this and I mix it in with my vitamin C suspension 23% plus HA Spheres 2%. I mix those together because it says it's a good combination. And then in the morning I will use my Omega Water moisturizer, and then I'll top it off with some sunscreen. There's one important step I forgot to show you guys, my toner, because I recently just changed toners, and this is my new toner. I literally just got it, so it's still full, but it's the Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution. So I use this before I do everything basically. So I'll wash my face and then I'll start with this, and then I'll do the whole skincare for both morning and night, and I just put it onto a cotton pad. And then if I'm getting ready for work, for my makeup, my everyday makeup, but first I do have the Sugar Lip Polish Scrub, so I have that, and then I also use the Sephora Lip Balm. Okay, so then for makeup for work, I switch between these two primers. So we have the Sephora Smooth and Blur, And then we also have the Professional Light Primer by Benefit. So these are two primers that I like, and I switch between the two. And then I will use my Fenty Skin Tint. And for my skin tint, so I'm not using a lot, I just kind of go like here, 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 a lot, just 2 dots along the nose, and then down here, and then I blend it in with a sponge. And for my eyebrows, usually I will just use this one. But if I'm feeling like having like bolder looking eyebrows or something, especially after I just wax them, then I will go in with my Pomade brow stuff. So yeah, I don't use a lot. A little goes a long way. And then I just blend it out with my spoolie. And then if I'm not wanting something more bold, but I just kind of want a filler, I will use my brow micro filling pen and just kind of get in the sparse areas that need a little more attention. And if I really want like a soft brow, but I still want them to be filled, I will use my Anastasia powder. So that's the skincare, hair care, and the makeup for every day. And then for my hair, I basically just put it up. So depending on my mood, like I've been trying to do different hairstyles every day for work recently. So tomorrow I'm going to be putting it up into a ponytail, and then I'm going to do a fishtail and then kind of twirl it into a little bun. So, or I might even just leave it as a fishtail and a high pony. So we will see. So that's that. I don't really know what else to put in this video, but and I guess I'll do just a quick update since we're here. So update is basically I moved in with my mom and my stepdad and my brother, and his girlfriend just recently moved in. So I'm no longer living on my own. That's why I have such a little space now, and this is literally my area. So this is where I hang out, and yeah, and we should share everything else in the house. Basically, it was just getting really stressful living on my own, especially after the pandemic happened. Before the pandemic, everything was okay. Like, I wasn't as stressed, but like once it happened, it was kind of hard for work for me. And then, especially when I was working at the spa, just like the way I got paid just wasn't working for me. So I had to basically move on, find new jobs, and you know, it was not enough money to get me caught up on everything that I fell behind on. But I'm doing a lot better now. I moved in here in April and we are September, so I'm doing so much better now that I moved here, and I'm starting to go to the gym again. I'm going to be also changing my eating habits and stuff like that. Like, I don't really eat out much anymore. Like, I mostly eat at home, and I make food for work now. And yeah, so I'm just kind of trying to do better for myself physically, mentally, and emotionally, so that way I can do a lot better. I'm currently working a lot just because I am planning to save up for my trip. I'm planning to go to LA and New York City, so I'll be doing that, and I will film that for you guys as well, so look forward to that. That one will come out soon. I haven't went yet, but look forward to more videos to come. They might not be as frequent because I'm currently just working every day, so there's not really much to film, but once I go on my trip there'll be lots to film. That is all I have for this video. See y'all again soon, and take care. Bye.
될까봐 나는 조심하는 중이야. 내 어릴 적 꿈과 날 사랑한 사람, 수 없는 별 아래 그림 같은 섬. 하지만 이제 나 잠 못 드는 밤, 인생은 동화가 아니라는 맘만. 어디로 가야 하죠 아저씨, 난 자꾸 뒤를 돌아봐요.